Welcome back to another Handyman Land video. Today's video is going to be on how to replace the chain on your Greenwork Pro 60 volt lithium battery chainsaw. We'll be replacing it today with this Oregon 16-inch low kickback chain. Alright, got my chainsaw on the bench. You're going to need a 13mm socket and a flathead screwdriver. Okay. Let's remove our blade cover. Remove these two right here. Okay, we might want to get all this junk out of there. Scrape all that off. See the screw right here? You want to get your flathead in there so you can loosen your chain. If you can see that, if you look at the chain here, okay, should be loose now. All right, now let's get all this mess out of there. Okay, looks clean enough. As for the chain, it's simple. Just pull the chain off like so. You're left with this part. Let's get our new chain out of the pack. This to the side. Now, on the back of the package, it will tell you what type of chainsaws you can put this chain on. So you might want to look at the package before you purchase your chain. Okay, so you want to make sure that you put the chain the proper way. Okay, so all your teeth, 1, 2, 3, you see them? They need to be facing that direction. Now the chain could get easily tangled, so you want to just be cautious. Let's get our old chain out of the way. Just want to show you that this part here is what tightens the chain. Let's get your flathead in here. and then you can see it move, so you can have a better understanding on how the chain gets tightened. Let's put it back. Okay, once you got it in place, just want to hold it and tighten it. Now, you don't want to tighten it super tight. You want it to have a little bit of play. Let me get the camera closer. Here you go. That's the type of play you want. You don't want it too tight. Give you a slow view so you can see exactly how it's in there. Get your cover. Hand tighten first. Get your ratchet. Now here, you want to make sure that these are tight. Just don't over tight where you strip the nut. Okay. Now, we need to make sure that we have enough oil in there. You might want to have a rag while you're doing this because it's a little messy. So for here, you just lift this tab and you can feel if you still have oil. You should get oil on your fingers. If you're not sure, just open it. Turn it slowly. Be careful. This is plastic. You can break it. There you go. And we are full. We're good. Also be careful when you're tightening it that you don't break it. And please, before you start to replace your chain, make sure you don't have the battery in there. Take the battery out. I always also keep it on the lock position towards you. See that? You unlock it. It's ready to go. Keep it forward for safety. You don't want to accidentally pull the trigger. I mean, it does have a safety here, but accidents can happen. Here's our battery. Battery indicator to see how much juice you have. We're full. Let's go cut some wood. Let me talk a little bit about the battery. For this battery, I could get about 60 to 80 cuts, and it all depends on the thickness of the branch. And I always like to keep the guard on until I'm ready to start cutting, especially if you have small kids around. Let's go cut some branches. Now, here's the branch that fell. I tried to lift and pull this back inward this way, and I just couldn't. You're helping me out? She found breakfast. Like a vacuum cleaner. Whew. I don't know how heavy that was, but man. Look what I found on the fence line. Something's living down there. But there you have it. That's my video on my Greenwork Pro, how to replace the chain. And I gave you a little insight on the tool itself. I like the tool. I've had it for quite some time. The original Greenwork Pro chain didn't last me too long. So I'm gonna see how long this one lasts on the tool. Like and subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching another Handyman Land video. Hope this video, let's do that again. Thank you for watching another Handyman Land video. You're making me laugh. Over there.